Hello everybody, welcome to another Teacher Tech tutorial. So today we're going to be looking at hyperlinks and putting them into documents, and also how do we take a big ugly looking link and change it into a single word or phrase that just cleans up the look a little bit. So let's get started with that. So first thing you're going to need to do is go on to whatever browser you need, find the website that you want to include, and copy that. Now I've opened my document and I'm going to paste. Okay. Now sometimes it does it automatically, but sometimes it doesn't. So to make it a hyperlink, it needs to be blue and underlined. If it's not blue and underlined and it's just still in your black text, it's not yet a hyperlink. So if that's not the case, just click return and it should be this blue looking thing. So to check that that worked, you won't be able to click it while you're editing your document. So you can go into slideshow, and when you move your cursor on top of that link you just put there, if it hasn't worked, it will continue to have this little just arrow. But if it is now a hyperlink, it should have a little hand like that. And that means it's going to take you directly there. There's no need to copy that down and then paste it in myself later. So now I have this really big long URL and it doesn't look very pretty and it's kind of confusing. So I want to know, how do I turn something like this into something like this? So I've made a hyperlink into a phrase so that all they need to do is click that instead of having to look at the whole big hyperlink. So let's go back to the one that I was working on before. Here it is here. So I want you to highlight the entire thing and right click. Whoopsies, that didn't work. Here we go. When we get this drop-down menu, I want you to go find hyperlink. Now to the right, it says open hyperlink, which would take you directly to the internet browser and stick that in there and take you to that website. But it also has edit hyperlink. So let's click that. So right now it's got the address just as I pulled it from the website itself. But right up here it says text to display, and that's what it's going to display as inside your document. So instead of the long name, let's call it grade 2 math video. I'm going to click OK and that will save my changes. Now that big long link has become whatever I named it. So you can go back into slideshow, click that link, and it should take you directly to the site. So let's do that. Click it. Now it's opened that up directly into my YouTube for me on my browser, but without having a really big long link. So that's just a way to kind of clean up your documents and so that you don't have very long links. Hopefully that was helpful for you.